So guys, there's no way I can actually miss an opportunity to discuss a new telenovela that's just recently started on ETV. It plays Monday to Friday at 9 o'clock in the evening. The name of the show is Emzini, A Family Legacy. Bafethu, the cast is superb. The storyline is to die for. Listen, if you're a fan of telenovelas, if you're a fan of, I don't know, setting reminders on your decoder or on your set box, ukuthi reminder whenever the show starts, on a daily, you can religiously watch a show emnandi. This is captivating. This is a beautiful storyline. Ikastia Corner are able to execute Ama stories perfectly. This is the show for you. Perfect. So I'm gonna just explain the storyline of the show. Who hasn't watched it, they can get an idea with what the show is about. So from the onset, sithola ukuthi there's two families over here, right? Khona family yakaNkosi, and then there is also another family. They have not yet revealed isibongo sabo, but the Nkosi family is primarily what the show is about. Kukhona ubaba wekhaya laphana, ubaba uNkosi base bakhona umama wekhaya, banengane ezo3 zabafana, right? Ishow maqala isivezela indaba yokuthi how did they come about their wealth. And apparently years ago umama wekhaya esathandana nobaba wekhaya esayiphoyisa, esafufusa. Into eyenzeka at that time, babehambile beyobamba inkunzi somewhere. Bobamba inkunzi yabani yomnikazi wamatekisi. Lo mnikazi wamatekisi uyena baba wekhaya walomndeni wesibili engikhuluma ngawo. Lo mndeni wesibili banengane ezo2 zamantombazana. But on that next bobamba inkunzi lo mama wekhaya lo akaNkosi ehamba nengane yakhe le eyomfana oUshaka manje igama layo esindala. Babanjwa umnini wayo leyo ndawo leyo, and then kwaba khona isikafule sabakhona waseyashona lo baba loyo, ubaba walomndeni lo engushoyo wamantombazana awu2 noma wabo. Inkunzi wayeba nobani khona umlisa wayekhona lapho okuyena wadubula lo muntu lo. Umlisa lo udlalwa uDumisani Mbhebhe, igama lakhe lo umlisa lo uMpanyaza, the character's name. Anyways, Panyaza takes the fall, right? Uma sefika amaphoyisa like I shot the guy, what. Kanti meanwhile anjalo, it's actually the son of lo mama lo odlala uKhabonina who shot this taxi guy bekhathi bezobamba yena inkunzi. Well, apparently ngathi bayithola ke le mali, and then abantu bakaNkosi they made massive wealth about with the money. Ubaba ekhaya ke insizwa le yetshebe emhlophe iyona eyiphoyisa uCaptain, but isiqala ishow useyayeke emaphoyiseni usumhlala phansi. Iqhubeka indaba bafethu. Bazivezela ke the clear picture of these two families. Umndeni waNkosi is successful, kuhamba kahle. I think they've got something like indawo esayobumnandi. Like the famous places that you know of, emalokishini, it almost has the same setup. Nalo omunye umndeni manje they are trying their utmost best to survive, right? And then as the time goes by, umama uDudu who plays odlala uKhabonina uthatha umfana wakhe lo uShaka, bahambe baye ejele ukuthi ayikhona abantu abamvakashela. Uma befika bawavashela bani uPanyaza lo obekade edonsa iminyaka ukuthi wabulala lo wamuntu lo. Mind you, ubulala lo wamuntu kuphazamise umcebo nezinhlelo zalomndeni lo wamatekisi, ngoba phela lo wamdlendo wamatekisi lo mama lo nabatazana kawu2 impilo yabo bandla donsa kodiesel la kuhle neze. Anyways, uma befika lapha ejele umama lo odlala uKhabonina ezoletha uShaka, uShaka ke manje ngoba semdala usadlala uWazmini Mncube. Bafika lapha useyafika lo mama uthe ilalela kahle lo muntu lo owangena ejele ngenxa ukuthi wena wadubula kanje ubaba wakho lo wababa loyana uNkosi lo useke emaphoyiseni akusiyena uyise. Yayizwa leyo nto leyo, hoyibo umfana sayikho nto leyo, ubaba kanjani ubaba milwe ayana kanjani. And then iphela kanjani indaba. Meanwhile wabe nengane ezu3 khona undodana ongamthandisisi kahle uShaka, to such a point wahamba wayithola indaba ukuthi behambile bejele, wabona washaya ama-DNA test, wanikeza ubaba wakhe uthi ilalele nama results. Kuyavela uShaka ukuthi akuyona ingane yakho. Lo mlisa wavela confronta kuma uthi wena uyifihla kanjani into nje ukuthi lo mlisa lona bekade ngimkhulisa iminyaka emngaka sengizingambeka njengendlalifa ukuthi akuyona ingane yami. Iqala kanjalo storyline saleya show. It is such a I'm not going to explain much. It is such a beautiful show, imnandi, and I don't think I've ever watched a show eka Wazmini Mncube where a better khona yakwenzeka. Okay, maybe one. Yabona yasho kaMandoza, I didn't feel it. That BT. Ngabona into abezama ukuyenza. I think we still deserve another movie or i-series ezokhuluma ngempilo kaMandoza, but leyana it did not do justice kumfana. Hayi azange ayenze kahle. But ke i-show overall imnandi, i-set up Alexandra. That's why the storyline is happening sayonke lento lena bafethu. Please keep a lookout for this show. It plays Monday to Friday 9 o'clock in the evenings on ETV bafethu. My name is Azad. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna come back more with more videos ekhona sizokhuluma kabanzi with ama-shows akukhulunywa ngawo adumile. Bafethu, there's quite a lot of training shows. See you soon.